Hello, today I'm going to show you our 3.6 kilowatt inverter independently produced and developed by our TAICO. Now here is the package for the inverter. You can see the outlook of the inverter and the basic information here. 3.6 kilowatt which can support a 20-volt voltage battery together. And now let's open the package to see what will be inside. We can see a product manual here and some screws for fixed and one inverter here. So this is our 3.6 kilowatt inverter. Here you can see the label here, the 3.6 kilowatt and supports 24 voltage battery to use together. And the IP here waterproof function is IP21 and the basic information for the inverter. Also is the switch we can turn on and turn off the inverter, and also the cooling fans in both sides. Here we can see here the AC input port and the output port and the ground line connection, and here the communication port, the BMS port, and also the battery positive side and the negative side, which and also supports the PV input here. So what's the advantage of the inverter? First, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, and the widely PV input voltage range from 40 voltage to 450 voltage, and max efficiency more than 98%, and built-in 100H solar charger, and we can support the Wi-Fi remote monitoring. The working temperature range from the -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. If you want to know more about TAICO inverter information, please don't hesitate to check our website at taicopower.com. Let TAICO inverter take good care of your smart energy life.